Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. This is a nail art video. So I've just recently dyed my hair red and I'm going out on a date for the night, and I wanted some nice long sexy red nails to go with my new red hair. So first off, I'm just applying a single coat of red nail polish on the thumb, first, middle and pinky finger. And then I'm going to be painting the ring fingernail black. And this is what you can see me doing here. This is a lovely colour red. It's not too bright that it looks orangey, but it's not too dark either. I don't know the name of this polish that I'm using here, but I called it Porn Star Red because I really like it. It's by Britpop. If you are wanting to know the actual name of that colour red, if you like it, let me know and I will put it in the comments section below, guys. So as you can see, I'm painting the ring finger here black. I did a single coat on all of them. I put it into cure. I'm now doing a second coat of that black just to make sure it is a nice solid black, because when I'm painting a nail black I use really thin coats because then that stops it from crinkling and wrinkling up when you're curing it. And then on two of the nails, which is the thumb and the middle finger, I'm going over that red with a red glitter nail polish, which is also by Britpop, which pairs really nice with the base red. As you can see, we've cured that. Now the two nails that are of just the base red, so that would be your pinky and the pointer finger, I am putting a coat of my favourite nail foil gel over the nails, put a nice thick even layer. You put that into cure for a minute, you pull the nail out and then you can apply the nail foil. And as you can see, I have gone with this really nice metallic red. Very nice. So I did that for the little nail as well, as you can see. Now I've put a base coat, not a base coat, a matte no wipe top coat on the ring finger, the black nail, purposefully, because I'm going to go in with some spider gel, as you can see here, but this is by Full Beauty. It's not the best brand, to be fair, and the black is fine, but the coloured gels are very translucenty. The colour is not very strong at all. So we will be putting chrome over the red spider gel, which you will see, which is why I have put that velvet matte no wipe top coat over the nail, so that the chrome powder will only stick to the spider gel and not to anything else on the nail. So here I am going in with the red, which is over the black, and you can see if you do a really thick one you can see the red, but on thin bits it's, see, like there, you can hardly see it, which is kind of disappointing. But as I said, I remedy that with some chrome, and I put the red over the top of the black now. And then on the thumb nail here, which you see is red, I'm putting the black spider gel over the top of that, so I'm sort of doing the opposite. And here we go with the black, and obviously because it's black there's no problem, it shows up just fine. The white is pretty good as well, but their coloured ones aren't much cop. So if you see this brand, the white and the black, I would get the coloured ones, not so much, because you can see on that nail there how it's just, yeah. So I'm just going in with the best tool of all time, your own finger. And yeah, I'm just rubbing on a bit of that red chrome over the top, just to make it stand out more and to make it blend in with the rest of the nails as well. And then obviously you are going, off camera I've top coated all of them nails, And for the last little bit, we are going to be working on the middle fingernail, which is this one here. And we're going to add some sparkle. Not a lot of sparkle, just a little bit of sparkle. Because I can go a bit heavy-handed with sparkle. I like shiny objects. So I'm just going in with a little bit of rhinestone glue, as you can see here. And we're adding that really pretty blingy nail charm there in red. And then I'm just adding a set of 3 normal rhinestones. And that was a cat hair you saw there. I do get rid of that. Going down from big, medium to small, getting that lining up nice there. Making sure I remove any cat hairs. If any of you have cats, you know the ongoing struggle with cat hair. And here is the finished design, so let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.